Factors and impact on audit jobs after Industrial Revolution 4.0.
What is the Fourth Industrial Revolution? The Fourth Industrial Revolution, or 4IR, or Industry 4.0, refers to the rapid technological advancements of the 21st century. 4IR is transforming society at an unprecedented speed and scale, advancing exponentially rather than gradually. It is reshaping not only how we work, but also who we are, which impacts the entire systems across nations, industries, and businesses positively. These technologies can be divided into four main categories. First is advanced engineering, such as 3D printing. Next is human-machine interaction, such as robotics and virtual reality. Next is analytics and intelligence, such as artificial intelligence. And lastly is computational power, such as blockchain. As a whole, these developments are changing sectors and expanding the realm of what is possible. Technologies from 4IR have drastically changed how banking and accounting systems are built and run. The tasks of accountants and auditors have changed from manual work to analytical and advising duties as a result of the integration of new technologies like blockchain and robotics. By increasing dependability and encouraging closer coordination between management, accounting, and auditing, these technologies have enhanced financial reporting. Methods for gathering evidence and evaluating risks have also changed, bringing in ideas like big data, financial analysts, automated audits, and real-time accounting. However, there are also consequences to this industrial revolution on audit jobs.
Explanation and arguments. Next is factor that affects audit job after Industrial Revolution 4.0. The first factor is technological factor. Technological factor that influence auditing job is company may no longer need human auditors to audit their books as technology becomes more efficient at identifying error and anomalies in financial data. So because of that, Industrial Revolution is intended to avoid error or fraud in audit checking. So company no need to hire human auditor instead of use technology, which is audit system, is knowledgeable and skilled. When organizations deploy new technology, auditors need to adapt right way. To assist auditor in gathering audit evidence, it is quite critical to comprehend the technologies related to Industry 4.0 in audit operations. However, the lack of technology skills and expertise that auditors face will have an impact on their future. The lack of knowledge leads to the expectation gap between the job that the IT specialized really did and what the auditors understood of the work that was completed. This kind of ignorance could lead to the acquisition and adequate or unsuitable audit evidence. Not least is environmental factors. Since auditors must modify the present adoptions of auditing standards owing to environmental factor in such rapid technology advancement, the existence of Industrial Revolution 4.0 is claimed to pose challenges to job security in auditing professions. Many audit firms have made significant changes to their audit procedure as a result of recent difficulties in audit industry. As we know, Industrial Revolution 4.0 is the biggest technologies have a lot of cost to attend it. So because of that, audit firms have to attend professional association to teach the audit worker so that the auditor can slowly adapt with it. Lack of this might affect their profession due to inability to align with the technologies in the performing work.
Firstly, it has increased efficiency and accuracy. AI tools like Deloitte's Argus and PwC's Hello automate repetitive tasks, reducing error and saving time. And additionally, blockchain provides secure and traceable storage for financial data to ensuring their reliability. This meets the objective of obtaining reasonable assurance that financial statements are free from material misstatements. The second impact is an improvement in audit quality. Technology allows for more detailed and reliable audits, enhancing the credibility of financial reports. With tools like computer-assisted auditing and big data analytics, auditors can better detect errors or fraud. This increases the stakeholder confidence and aligns with the objective of enhancing the credibility of financial statements. Lastly, IR 4.0 has improved fraud detection and risk management. By using tools like predictive analytics, anomaly detection, and blockchain, make it easier to identify risk and detect fraud. This aligns with the auditor's responsibility to identify risk and detect material misstatement.
Finding and analysis. In the article that we have studied, they have highlighted several factors in implementing digital audits, including technological factors, knowledgeable and skilled factors, and environmental factors. Security and confidentiality risks identified are related to the first factor, which is technological factors in digital audit implementation. Governmental data, including sensitive information, could lead to data losses during the integration process. This could result in legal and financial losses. This is because if we use technology, the probability of information loss is high, but it can still be found with a certain professional firm. Additionally, agencies were not prepared for a disaster recovery plan. The result for these factors highlights the need to postpone RPA implementation due to security issue related to cloud database location. accounting graduates' job opportunity were perceived as less significant, but they emphasize the importance of IT skill, analytical thinking, and communication and collaboration. The second factor is knowledge and skill, which is the transition to digital audit processes requires auditors to develop personal digital skills, including knowledge of application and tool for digital audits. However, developing digital skill is perceived as the most significant challenge, with resistance to change and time-consuming training. Besides, the finding also identified high implementation costs as a significant barrier to digital audit implementation. The total cost of ownership, known as TCO, for different systems can range from thousands to millions of dollars, and automated systems including RPA can be costly. Public organizations often face limited resources and competing funding demands, making prioritizing digital initiatives difficult. As a result, audit firms can face with a lack of skill in the technology and knowledge to use it in their duty as an auditors. The last factor in implementing digital audit is environmental, that these findings did not consider improper political interference as a significant factor to digital audit implementation, arguing that the department functioned independently without political influence. They also noted that the decision to terminate the internal audit department in the Danish central government, which is system governance in Denmark, was attributed to civil servants.
Next, we will move to the findings and analysis on the next article. This article has been conducted to evaluate the perceptions of auditors regarding the implementation of digital audits within Malaysia public sector. In this article, the findings reveal several perceived positive impacts of digital audit implementation. The top-ranked positive impacts identified through the survey is improved quality of audit reports. This is because the use of technological tools for the audit process enhance the credibility and reliability of audit findings. This advantage ensure that audit reports meet with the relevant standards and provide reasonable assurance to the client regarding the reliability of financial statements. Next is increased audit efficiency. Respondents highlight that modern digital tools allow auditors to focus on more judgmental areas as it can minimize the time required to do basic procedure. Another positive impact of digital auditing is that it helps auditors in identifying material misstatements more effectively. Through the use of technological tools, auditors can pinpoint any material misstatements or red flags in financial statements, which can enhance their ability and capacity to detect error and fraud. This competence is particularly important in public sector as accountability and transparency are crucial. The findings also indicate that digital audit improve the overall quality of the audit process by giving auditors real-time access to data such as risk levels and areas, and enables auditors to analyze comprehensive data sets rather than relying on sample. This approach can enhance the decision-making made by allowing auditors to identify trends more accurately. Last but not least, digital audit improves the effectiveness of audit by achieving better outcomes from the governmental activities and programs such as improved public trust in the government's financial management and the provision of higher quality public services. In conclusion, the article effectively demonstrates how digital audits can improve the quality and efficiency of public sector audits. It also offers valuable insight in addressing the impact on the implementation of digital audits in Malaysia to improve auditing standards and enhance public sector accountability.
Conclusion and recommendation. So for the conclusion, the audit job security has been significantly impacted by Industry 4.0 in terms of technological, knowledge and skill, and environmental factors. Each factor has its own benefits and drawbacks. For technological factor, the benefits of this revolution towards the audit job security is improving the efficiency and accuracy of audit report because the modern technology can detect errors and inconsistencies in financial data. However, it cannot rely solely on technology since it will decrease the stakeholder trust. For technological facts, in knowledgeable and skill factor, the IR 4.0 gives good impact on audit firm because the auditors are currently experiencing a change in perspective. But it also has drawback, which is there is a chance that audit evidence will be irrelevant because many auditors lack of technology knowledge. Last but not least, IR 4.0 can influence the environmental factor. The audit process has changed significantly due to the use of modern technology in auditing. However, it might grow competition with larger organizations, especially in the IT and technology-driven environment. Last but not least, for recommendation part, IR 4.0 may bring new technologies to the audit industry. Therefore,
the auditors need to develop their skills to stay relevant. By providing training support to the auditors, the quality of their work will increase. Besides, audit firm can promote greater collaboration with IT specialists to overcome the complex technology issues that may arise. Moreover, the implementation of cybersecurity measures to the audit firm. It will protect the private data and stop illegal access due to applying the technology in auditing. Lastly, the audit firm have to monitor regulatory changes to stay updated.